जी हाँ, आदत छुड़ानी है। अपना कंट्रोल अपने हाथों में लेकर एक नई कहानी बनानी है। Hi friends, I am Dr. Ashita Nangaonkar, founder of Alkanand Homeo Care Clinic, homeopathic consultant and psychological counselor. And you're watching my very own channel, Alkanand Clinic. Welcome to our Addiction De-Addiction series. In my previous video, I have talked about addiction, its type, how to analyze an addiction and how to start with de-addiction. This is second video of Addiction De-Addiction series. Today in this video, I will be sharing few behavioral interventions which will help you in de-addiction. So let's get started. Before moving forward, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then press the bell icon now and stay educated. To start with de-addiction, the first thing that we need to figure out is habit analysis. It includes formation of habit and what lead to formation of that habit. The time, place, activities that act as a trigger for the habit are to be known. For example, a tobacco addict might crave tobacco after every meal. So here the time period after meal is a trigger factor. Once we identify the time or the place or the trigger factors, then next we need to do is craving management. In order to control craving in de-addiction, the 5 Ds have been found very useful. Dealing the craving, deep breathing, drinking cold water, dialing a buddy and diary writing. Let's discuss each of it in a bit detail. First one is delaying craving. In this, you just have to buy some time for yourself delaying the urge or the activity. Second one is deep breathing. Whenever our body is affected, it is first affected on our heart rates. And to manage our heart rates, what helps the most is deep breathing. As soon as you start breathing and having control over your breath, all symptoms start to subside and you feel normal at physical as well as mental level. Third one is drinking cold water or holding a piece of ice cube in your mouth. It is found to be very useful in suppressing your craving. Fourth one is dialing a buddy. When an uncontrolled urge hits you hard enough to be the obstacle in completion of your target, it is a motivation that is all you need. And dialing a friend is the best encouragement, best motivation one can have. You can just talk with a friend who motivates you or encourages you to give up upon your addiction. That will keep you going. Fifth one is diary writing. When you take upon the process of de-addiction, you undergo a mental instability, mental restlessness where there is conflicts and a lot of thoughts clouding around. To get through this confusion, you need to write it down, vent it down on a page. Also, don't forget to write the advantages and the disadvantages of the de-addiction that you have taken upon. Also, you need to list down the motivations that lead you to taking upon this de-addiction process on yourself. It is like a self-reminder. It is like reminding your brain that these are the things, that's why I am doing this. Diary writing helps a lot in the process of de-addiction. Remember, urge frequency will be more frequent during the initial days of quitting. Once you are done with craving management, you're half the way. But the most crucial step is yet to be done. That is relapse prevention. Relapse can be prevented by identifying the activities, times and place that can lead to relapse. And you can avoid most of it. Free time, stress and pressure are some of the things that can lead you to relapse of the habit. You can engage yourself in a more creational activities like dance, music, or just any sports or starting gymming and diverting your energy into a more productive way. this is found to be very useful. So these were some of the behavioral modifications that can help you in de-addiction. I hope you found this video useful. If yes, then leave a comment below. In my next video, I will be sharing some common symptoms of withdrawal and coping strategies for the same for each specific kind of symptoms. So stay tuned every Monday. Stay tuned to our addiction de-addiction series. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. For any further queries, you can contact me on the below given details. Thank you for watching till the end.